DJI's Phantom series have become a benchmark for consumer drones, or quadcopters, if you prefer, thanks to their simple setup, ease of flying and relatively low price. The current king of the lineup, the Phantom 3 Professional, raises the bar even higher with the addition of 4K video recording from its stabilized camera. Its design is almost unchanged from the previous Phantom 2 series, with a chunky white plastic body, and it's still incredibly easy to learn to fly. It has improved image sensors too, which provide superior footage than previously available, and ground scanning sensors to help it fly indoors. If you want to take your home movies to the next level, but don't want to fork out the many thousands for professional level drones, the Phantom 3 is a superb starting point. There are currently 3 versions of the drone available. The Phantom 3 Professional, which I review here, shoots video in 4K, 3820x2160 pixel resolution and retails for $1,259, £1,159 or $1,950. The Phantom 3 Advanced is functionally identical, but shoots video in 1080p, 1920x1080, it costs $999, £899 or $1,550. Both of those debuted in April, but they were just joined by a third model, the more affordable Phantom 3 Standard, $799, £649 or $1,299, which strips away some of the better features of its sibling models and includes the same controller as the older Phantom 2 Vision Plus. Meanwhile, DJI has also scheduled a press conference in Los Angeles later this month, making another new drone announcement likely. Ultimately, the Advanced is arguably the sweet spot, given the fact that its 1080p video will more than suffice for most eyes. Discerning the extra detail on 4K displays is a challenge, to say the least. But for those who must have 4K, the Phantom 3 Pro delivers best-in-class video for many thousands less than you'll pay for professional drones.